Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Adam.
Welcome to Daily English
Podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Adam, do you remember that yesterday I told you I organized my favorite corner and found an old box?
Hi, Anne. Hi, everyone. I remember it perfectly.
Well, you won't believe what was at the bottom. I found the photos from our last trip to the beach.
No way! What a great memory. That trip was amazing. It is a perfect topic for today's podcast, don't you think, Anne? Because we can review all the vocabulary for a beach trip. Okay, which photo did you see first?
That of the first day. Do you remember? In English, to say that the weather is warm and the sun is intense, we say it's a sunny day. And you told me it was the perfect time to go to the beach to cool off.
That's true. A sunny day. It was quite hot. And the first thing we packed was our beach clothing, which in English is generally known as beach wear. I brought my swim shorts and you brought your summer dress.
Yes, and thank goodness I insisted on checking the useful items before leaving the house. In the photo, you can see the huge bag we carried. We brought towels so we wouldn't stay wet and could dry off, and of course, our sunglasses. Your glasses had so much style, Adam.
They were modern, Anne. But the most important thing in that bag, guys, and something you must never forget, is the sun protector. In English, we say sunscreen.
Totally. Protector. I put a lot on my face and my shoulders. But you, Adam, I remember you completely forgot about it for the first 2 hours.
Oh, don't remind me. I felt safe because I was under the beach umbrella, which is used to rest from the sun. But the reflection from the sand was very strong. Phew, I ended up with a terrible sunburn. Guys, that's how you say it when the sun makes your skin red. I had a terrible sunburn on my back. It hurt for a week.
Oh, Adam, you turned as red as a tomato. I had to put soothing cream on you. Some people prefer to use tanning lotion to get a suntan, to make their skin darker and shiny.
That's right. You can also go to the beach to get a suntan from the sun.
But, well, Adam, not everything was painful. In the other photo, you can see the sea. It was beautiful. That day, the water was very calm. When the sea is like that, we say the sea is calm.
Yes, it was perfect for relaxing. But the next day, the weather changed a bit and the water became more aggressive with very big waves. Waves are moving water in the sea. There were huge waves. That's when I took out my board.
True. You surprised me. Guys, Adam knows how to surf. The sport is called surfing. In the photo, you look very professional on the wave, even though a second later you fell head first.
Hey, that was the current's fault. On the other hand, Anne, you preferred to go deeper. You went scuba diving, right?
Yes, I love diving. In English, when you dive with a tank and professional equipment, it is called scuba diving. And if you only use a tube and a mask to swim on the surface, it is called snorkeling. I did a little bit of both. I could see many colorful fish near the rocks. It was an amazing experience.
That's great. The ocean is a completely different world. Hey, Anne, and do you remember the snacks we packed? We got incredibly hungry after being in the water.
Ugh, of course. Bringing snacks or light food is vital. We brought chopped fresh fruit, some sandwiches.
And a lot of cold water in a thermos.
It is very easy to get dehydrated at the beach, so friends, always bring your water bottle.
Great advice. Eating cold fruit on the sand is one of the best feelings in life. We spent the whole afternoon there, just sitting on our beach chairs watching the sunset. Right, Anne?
Yes, it was a perfect day to connect with nature and take a break from the routine. Guys, do you like going to the beach? Do you prefer a calm sea or do you like big waves for sports?
Tell us in the comments if you are on the team that uses a lot of sunscreen like Anne, or if you always forget and end up with a sunburn like me. We want to read about your vacation experiences.
Yes, or if you are one of those who get a suntan at the beach. Leave your comments. Learning English using memories helps words stick in your mind more effectively.
Exactly. I remember we camped on the beach that day. It's one of the best memories I have with Anne.
Wow, yes it is. Do you remember how beautiful the sky looked?
Of course. You spent a long time teaching me how to find the stars, and you felt bad for not bringing a telescope that day.
That's true. But the most important thing was having a good time together.
Well, I had a lot of fun splashing you with water at the beach.
You are playful.
I am. It was so funny watching you cover yourself from the water and try to splash my face.
Adam, what was your favorite moment at the beach?
I think it was when we rested on the shore and looked at the stars in the sky. It was a special moment. And yours, Anne?
Yes, it was. Mine too, and also when we took fun photos in front of the sea.
That's right. Well, Anne, thank you for finding those photos. You made my day. But before we go, we have to do our mandatory review of beach vocabulary so our friends can take notes.
Of course. Let's go with today's summary. Let's start with sunny day. A warm day with intense sun.
Beachwear, clothing general for the beach.
Towel. Piece of absorbent cloth for drying.
Sunglasses, glasses used to protect your eyes from the sun.
Sunscreen. Cream or lotion used to protect your skin.
Beach umbrella, portable utensil designed to provide shade.
Sand. The tiny rocks on the beach floor.
Sunburn, red and painful skin caused by too much sun.
Suntan or get a suntan. When the sun makes your skin darker.
Calm sea, quiet and peaceful water.
Waves. Moving water in the ocean.
Surfing, the sport of riding waves on a board.
Scuba diving or snorkeling. Diving deep with an oxygen tank or swimming on the surface with a tube.
Snacks, light food eaten between meals.
Beach chair. A comfortable chair used to rest on the sand.
Telescope, an instrument used to see distant stars.
Shore. Strip of land bordering the water.
Splashing, it is moving the water in such a way that drops jump.
Playful. Cheerful, fun, and energetic spirit.
To cool off, to lower your body temperature on a hot day.
To dry. Remove moisture or liquid from something.
And that's all for today's episode. What a great trip and what a great vocabulary we shared. Don't forget to practice these words in your mind the next time you see the sun.
That's right, Adam. Enjoy the learning process step by step, friends. Remember, this will always be your peaceful space to improve your English. Subscribe and share the video.
See you in the next episode to keep talking.
Take good care of yourselves and happy learning!
Goodbye.
Goodbye.